Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure. Hello, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to you all in our today's video. Okay, today we'll be talking about acupressure points, 10 best acupressure points which you can use in day-to-day basis. Okay, which will be very helpful, and we'll be talking about like what exactly they solve in your life, problems they solve. Okay, let's just discuss about them then. Okay, we'll be talking about 10 best acupressure points. Let us start this video. So our very first point is for tiredness or weakness. If you feel tired easily, or if you feel you have lack of energy, if you want to increase your energy, okay, if you feel tired easily, if you feel lethargy or something like that, then this will be the first point which will help for that. Okay, so our point is over here. See, on the base of the thumb, okay, just on the starting part of the thumb, okay, over here, if you draw a straight line down, then just on the start of our index finger, just down, this point is called as liver 13. Okay, see, if from the start of your index finger, if you go straight downwards, okay, where the base of the thumb, if you go straight down, okay, like this, and where both this joint over here is this point is called as liver 13. This point is bilateral, that means on both the hands. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just press over here properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, and magnet therapy we'll be discussing in the last. Okay, so this will be the first point for lethargy or tiredness. Okay, then the second point, our second point is for all kind of digestive disorders. If you are having any kind of digestive problem, okay, if you feel you are having problem of indigestion, constipation, okay, then for that will be our next point. If you draw a straight line from your middle finger, from the center of the middle finger and ring finger, if you draw a straight line down on the palm, okay, till the wrist joint, then just above the wrist joint over here will be this point. This point is called as CV12, okay, conceptive vessel 12. So what we'll do on this point, we'll also give pressure on this point properly. This point will help for any kind of digestive problem. Okay, so this was our second point, which was for any kind of digestive disorders. So if you are having any kind of digestive disorder, you can always use this point. Okay, this point is also bilateral. All these 10 points are bilateral, that means they are on both the hands. Our third point is for our small intestine. If you are having any kind of small intestine problem or any kind of uterus problem in ladies, okay, if they are having any kind of uterus problem or any kind of small intestine problem, that is if they are having ulcerative colitis, okay, or if they are having problem of then uterus, they are having problem of fibroids in uterus, okay, that kind of problem, then this point will help. Our point is on the same line over here. Okay, see, it is also between our index finger, middle finger and ring finger. If we draw a straight line, and over here you can see this is our lifeline going, just above that is this point. Okay, this point is called a CV4 point. This point is also on both this hand. Again, what you need to do is just press this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, so this will be the best solution for any kind of uterus problem and any kind of problem for what we can say, for this can be also a problem of small intestine. Any kind of small intestine problem also you can use this point. Okay, this was our point number 3. Point number 4 is for liver detoxification. Okay, if you want to detox your liver, if you want to remove like toxins from all of your body, whole body, if you want to remove toxins from your body, then the next point will help you for that. Okay, especially to remove toxins from the whole body and also to detox your liver. This point will help for that. See, our point on the middle finger, our point is on the middle finger. Okay, on the first joint of our middle finger, if you draw a straight line in the center of this first joint, okay, then just below that towards thumb side is this point. This point is called as liver 3. Okay, this is our fourth point, which is for liver 3. See, let us know it again. On the first joint of our middle finger, if we draw a line in the center, okay, of this joint, if we draw a vertical line like this in the center, then just below that line, towards thumb side is this point. This point is called as liver 3. So this point will help for any kind of toxins if you are having in your body. To remove that it will help, and it will also help to detox your liver, okay. Our fifth point is to increase your stamina. If you are having stamina issues, then it will help you increase your stamina, overall stamina. Then if you are having any kind of speech related disorders, if you are not able to speak properly and that things, or if you are having enlarged spleen problem, okay, this will also help for enlarged spleen problem. So our point is on the back side of our hand, okay. Let us see the location. You can see the second joint of the middle finger. Just above that, towards thumb side is this point. This point is called as stomach 36, okay. This point will help for any kind of speech related disorders, to increase your stamina, okay, and it will also help for any kind of like if you are having enlarged spleen problem, then also this point will help, okay. This point is also on both the hands, that is bilateral, okay. Next we have point number 6, which is for chest fullness. If you are having fullness in your chest, if you feel heavy, okay, if you feel heaviness in your chest area, okay, or if you feel bloating, or if you have acidity, gas problem, then you can use this point. If you are having chest fullness problem, that is if you are having heaviness in your chest, if you feel heaviness in your chest, or if you feel gas, acidity, bloating, then this point will help. Point number 6 is on our index finger, okay. You can see this first joint of the index finger. Just below that, exactly in the center, is this point. This point is called as pericardium 6. Okay, this point is pericardium 6. This point is also on both the hands, that is bilateral. You need to press this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay. So our next point number 7 is for irregular periods. If a lady is having irregular periods, okay, she is having early periods or late period problem, then it will help for that. If they are having cold and cough issues, anyone is having issues of cold and cough, any kind of blood related disorder, any kind of issues related to blood, or it will also help to increase your blood circulation in the body, okay. It will also help to increase the blood circulation in the body, okay. So our next point, let us discuss about that. So first thing, what I said, that it will help to if any woman is having irregular periods problem, then it will help for that. If someone is having cold and cough problem, then also this point will help. Or if someone is having problem of blood issues, any kind of blood issues, okay, or to improve your blood circulation, you can use this point, okay. So our point is on our middle finger. On the first joint of the middle finger, just below that joint, exactly in the center, is this point. This point is called as SP6, spleen 6, okay. This point is used, this point is also bilateral, that means on both the hands. Next, point number 8 we have for any kind of body pain. If you are having any kind of body pain, then this point will help. I guess everyone will be knowing this point. This point is on the back side of our hand, on our index finger. You can see the second joint of the index finger. On that line itself towards thumb is this point. This point is called as large intestine 11, okay. This point is also bilateral, that means on both the hands. So if you are having any kind of body pain, that means if you are having leg pain, if you are having neck pain, if you are having shoulder pain, or joints pain, if you are having any kind of pain, maybe migraine or something, you can definitely use this point, okay. Then we have point number 9, which will help to improve your immunity, okay, to strengthen your immunity system. It will also help to remove toxins, to improve your immunity, to strengthen your immunity system, and it will also help to remove toxins, okay. This point can also be used with Li11 for any kind of body pain. Again, on the back side of our hand, on the index finger, you can see this first joint of the index finger. Just above that joint, towards thumb side, is this point. This point is called as Li4, large intestine 4, okay. This point is also on both the hands. So for what reasons we'll use this point? If you are having any kind of immunity disorder, if you feel your immunity is weak and if you want to strengthen your immunity, you can use this point. Okay, then it will also help to remove toxins from your body, and definitely for any kind of body pain you can use it with Li11 point. Okay, point number 10, the last point which we have. Okay, that is the best point which you can use for any like for old people. This will be the best point for them. Okay, this point is again on our middle finger. Okay, just above the second joint of the middle finger, exactly in the center is this point. This point is called as GB34, gallbladder 34 point. Okay, this is the 10th point. This point is called as the best point for any kind of like problem those who are elderly people, if they are having, okay, old people are having any kind of problem, then this will be the best point for them. They can use it daily. Okay, so these were our 10 points. Okay, our first one point was for liver, which was liver 13. For weakness or tiredness, this was the best point. Okay, liver 13. Our second point was CV 12. Okay, it was the best point for our any kind of digestive disorders. This was the best point. Then we have our next point, where is CV4, which was for uterus, which is the best point for uterus and also a best point for our small intestines. Okay, next we have point for liver detoxification and to remove toxins from all full body. Okay, that is the liver 3 point. Okay, that was the point number 4. Point number 5, we had stomach 36, which was to improve your stamina. Okay, for any kind of speech related disorders and also for enlarged spleen. Okay, then we had point number 6, which was for P6 point, that is for chest heaviness, or if you're having chest fullness problem, bloating, gas, acidity point. Okay, then we have point number 7, that is spleen 6, which was for any kind of blood related disorders. If you are having less blood, you are not having proper circulation of blood in your body. Okay, irregular periods, cold and cough. Okay, point number 8 was for any kind of body pain, that was for Li11 point. Okay, then we had next point, that is Li4, which was point for what things it was? It was for removing toxins from your body. It can also be used with Li11 for any kind of body pain. It improves your immunity system and also energizes your immunity system. Okay, the last point was GB34, that was the best point for any which was the best point for old people. So this were all our 10 points, and on this all 10 points, what we need to do is we will just press these points properly on both the hands first. Okay, 30 seconds to 1 minute you will press, and you will apply points according to your disorders only. Okay, and then we'll take one paper tape and we'll apply Biol magnets, yellow side touching skin. On all the points you need to apply the same, that is Biol magnet, yellow side touching skin. So you need to apply it on CV12. If you are having problem of what digestive related disorder, you will apply it on CV4 if you are having uterus or large intestine, small intestine disorder. I'm so sorry. Then for what was this, liver 13, for tiredness, weakness, if you are having, you will apply the same Biol magnet, yellow side touching skin. So for all else other problems, you will use the same magnet. Okay, do remember to apply the magnet for 8 to 10 hours. Okay, and on the next day remove the paper tape and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. And if you want to buy this magnets, you just know our contact details, just WhatsApp us on that and you can buy it for yourself. Thank you so much everyone.